The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. The life you desire, the one that seems just out of reach, is closer than you think. It's time to awaken to the incredible power that resides within you, the power to shape your reality and manifest your dreams. In the next few minutes, we're about to unveil a profound truth, a truth that will empower you to create a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. We'll look into the extraordinary potential of your mind, the limitless capacity of your thoughts, and the undeniable impact of your belief. Get ready to discover how you can harness these forces to design a life that truly reflects your deepest desires. Within the depths of your being lies a wellspring of creative energy, a force so potent that it can mold and shape the very fabric of your existence. Your mind is not merely a vessel for thoughts. It is a dynamic powerhouse capable of generating worlds, birthing ideas, and bringing your deepest desires to life. Imagine your mind as a fertile garden, ready to be cultivated. Every thought you have is like a seed, and the emotions you attach to those thoughts are the water and sunlight that nurture them. As you focus your attention on a particular desire, you plant that seed in the garden of your mind, and with consistent care and attention, it begins to sprout and grow. Your imagination is the architect of this inner world. It is the tool that allows you to visualize, to envision, to create a blueprint of the life you want to live. Just as an architect meticulously designs a building, so too can you meticulously design your reality. The more detailed and vivid your mental picture, the more powerful it becomes. Every great invention, every groundbreaking discovery, every magnificent work of art began as a spark of imagination in someone's mind. The Wright brothers soared through the skies because they dared to imagine a world where flight was possible. Thomas Edison illuminated the world because he envisioned a future where darkness could be banished. And countless artists, musicians, and writers have touched our hearts and souls because they painted, composed, and penned the visions that lived within them. The world around you, as you perceive it, is a reflection of your inner world. Your thoughts, beliefs, and expectations shape your experiences, your relationships, and your circumstances. If you believe that life is difficult and full of obstacles, then that is what you will attract into your life. But if you believe that life is abundant and full of possibilities, then that is what will unfold before you. Your mind is not bound by the limitations of the physical world. It can transcend time and space. It can break free from the constraints of logic and reason, and it can tap into the infinite potential that exists within the universe. When you harness the power of your imagination, you open yourself up to a world of endless possibilities. But the creative power of your mind goes beyond simply visualizing what you want. It also involves the ability to feel the emotions associated with having your desire fulfilled. When you truly embody the feeling of joy, gratitude, and excitement that comes with achieving your goals, you send out a powerful signal to the universe, attracting those very experiences into your life. The more you practice using your imagination in this way, the stronger it becomes. You develop a muscle of creativity, a habit of thinking big and believing in the impossible. You start to see opportunities where others see obstacles, and you find solutions where others see problems. Keep in mind that your mind is not a passive observer of reality. It is an active participant in its creation. By harnessing the power of your imagination, you can consciously and deliberately shape your life in a way that aligns with your deepest desires and highest aspirations. The blueprints drawn in your mind's eye, the vivid pictures you create of your desires, are not merely fleeting fantasies. They are the seeds of your future reality, waiting to be brought to life by the potent force of faith. Faith is the spark that ignites the engine of creation. It is the unwavering belief in the unseen, the unwavering trust in the power that lies within and beyond. Just as a tiny seed holds the potential for a mighty oak, so too does your faith hold the potential to manifest your greatest dreams. When you have faith, you release the shackles of doubt and fear. You move beyond the limitations of what you think is possible and step into the realm of infinite possibilities. Doubt and fear are like weeds that choke the life out of your dreams. They whisper in your ear, telling you that you're not good enough, that you don't deserve it, that it's too good to be true. But faith silences those whispers. It reminds you of your inherent worthiness, your unlimited potential, and the abundance that is your birthright. Faith acts as a shield, protecting you from the negativity that can seep into your mind and sabotage your efforts. It is the unwavering conviction that your desires are not only possible but inevitable. With faith, you become a magnet for miracles, attracting opportunities, resources, and synchronicities that align you with your goals. Cultivating a positive mindset is key to strengthening your faith. It involves training your mind to focus on the good, to see the silver lining in every cloud, and to find reasons to be grateful for every experience. When you adopt a positive mindset, you shift your vibration, attracting more positive energy into your life. You can cultivate a positive mindset through practices such as gratitude journaling, affirmations, and visualization. By regularly expressing gratitude for the blessings in your life, you create a sense of abundance and attract even more blessings. By repeating affirmations that align with your desires, you reprogram your subconscious mind to believe in your worthiness and ability to manifest. And by visualizing yourself living your dream life, you create a powerful emotional connection to your goals, which fuels your motivation and strengthens your faith. Recall that faith is not blind optimism. It is a knowing, a deep inner conviction that what you desire is already yours. It is the unshakable trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor, that every step you take is leading you closer to your dreams. As you nurture your faith, you will find that it grows stronger and stronger. You will become more resilient in the face of challenges, more persistent in the pursuit of your goals, and more confident in your ability to create the life you desire. Your faith is your most valuable asset. It is the key that unlocks the door to your unlimited potential. Accept it, cultivate it, and watch as it transforms your life in ways you never thought possible. This unwavering belief in yourself and in the power of your desires creates a magnetic field that attracts the very things you seek. It opens doors that were previously closed, reveals opportunities that were hidden from view, and brings the right people and resources into your life at the perfect time. Faith is not about denying the challenges or obstacles that may arise on your path. It is about knowing that you have the inner resources to overcome them. It is about trusting that the universe has your back and that every experience, whether positive or negative, is ultimately serving your highest good. As you cultivate your faith, you will find that it becomes a beacon of hope, guiding you through the darkest of times. It will be the anchor that keeps you grounded when the storms of life rage around you, and it will be the wings that lift you up and carry you towards your dreams. This deep-rooted trust in the unseen allows you to let go of worry and anxiety, knowing that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. It frees you from the need to control every aspect of your life and allows you to surrender to the flow of the universe. In this state of surrender, you open yourself up to receive the abundance that is always available to you. Recall that faith is not something that happens overnight. It is a muscle that needs to be exercised and strengthened over time. Just as a bodybuilder lifts weights to build physical strength, so too can you engage in practices that build your spiritual strength. These practices can include meditation, prayer, spending time in nature, reading inspirational books, and surrounding yourself with positive and supportive people. The more you engage in these practices, the more your faith will flourish, and the more you will experience the incredible power it holds to transform your life. The first step on this extraordinary journey of creation is to get crystal clear about what you truly want. Take a moment to reflect on your deepest desires. What are the things that make your heart sing, that ignite a fire within you? It could be anything: a loving relationship, a fulfilling career, vibrant health, financial abundance, or a life filled with adventure. Be specific, be bold, and don't be afraid to dream big. The universe is listening, and your desires are the seeds of your future reality. Now that you know what you want, it's time to bring it to life in your mind's eye. Close your eyes and see your desires as if they have already manifested. Feel the joy of driving your dream car, the satisfaction of living in your ideal home, the warmth of accepting your soulmate. Engage all your senses. See the vibrant colors, hear the joyous sounds, smell the sweet aromas, taste the delicious flavors, and feel the exhilarating sensations. The more detailed and vivid your mental picture, the more powerful it becomes. Your emotions are the fuel that propels your desires into reality. As you hold that vivid mental picture in your mind, allow yourself to feel the emotions that would accompany its fulfillment. Feel the excitement, the gratitude, the pure joy of having your dreams come true. Let those emotions wash over you, filling you with a sense of anticipation and wonder. Your emotions are the magnetic force that draws your desires to you. Now comes the most crucial step: releasing attachment to the outcome and trusting in the process. It's natural to want to control every aspect of our lives, but when it comes to manifestation, sometimes the best thing we can do is let go. Trust that the universe has a plan for you, a plan that is even better than you could have ever imagined. Surrender to the flow of life, and know that your desires are being taken care of. As we've explored, the power to shape your reality lies within your grasp. Your mind is a boundless canvas, your imagination the brush, and your faith the guiding force. By clarifying your desires, crafting vivid mental pictures, feeling the emotions of fulfillment, and trusting in the process, you can unlock a world of infinite possibilities. The life you desire is not a distant dream, but a tangible reality waiting to be brought to life. Step into your power as a conscious creator, and watch as your dreams unfold before your very eyes. Keep in mind that your potential is limitless, and the only limits are those you place upon yourself. If this message has resonated with you, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more empowering content.